Are you looking for a simple and enjoyable way to earn money online in 2024? In this video, I will introduce you to an exciting opportunity where you can earn $1 for every video you like. A website called admifast.com. Here is a glimpse of what it has to offer, and you get paid through various methods like PayPal, cryptocurrency, and more as shown here. To start your monetization journey on this platform, take a moment to navigate through its intricacies and learn about its features. It's a YouTube account. No need for a lots of subscribers or lots of videos. It's just a video channel. If you don't have one yet, simply go to youtube.com and create a free account. Now let's get back to the website before we delve into the intricacies of collecting points and turning them into tangible cash. Let's start the process by creating your account and click for free trial. Now enter your email and password to complete bot verification and press register button, then check your email for similar confirmation message. Click on the screen shown here to confirm, and after logging into your account you will be presented with a homepage layout that may seem overwhelming at first glance. And don't worry, what you won't be able to discover countless features. Later click my lead, where I click and let's start earning right away. Pay attention to the next step as mentioned earlier. Liking a Facebook post or engaging with user account on certain platforms such as sharing a page or Instagram or on any of these social media interactions earns you points that can subsequently be converted into cash in moments to come. I'll walk you through the exact steps on how to do this, but for the sake of this video, we're not going to Instagram or Facebook. While you certainly have the option to check them out, our focus today is on YouTube. Like right here below, it is located because it is considered the easiest and most profitable option. After completing this step, you may be asked to confirm that you are human, which will direct you to a page where you can start earning points. As shown, the process of earning points is free, and while liking YouTube videos, a simple click on the like option will redirect you to the video YouTube in a new tab. No need to watch the video to like it. Then go back to the previous tab and you will notice to click confirmation. After liking your video, you have earned points in your account. This is a simple process. It is worth nothing that this website works globally, and you can do this on your computer or smartphone. Remember that the more video like will collect more points in your account. It's very important to increase the stability of the income by devoting a few minutes a day to liking YouTube videos on this site. You can generate significant monthly income. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. The next step is you need to go to the section labeled add as a link of the site, and it will lead us to this website. Basically what we will do here is to convert the points we collect. Instagram follower is an interactive platform where you can exchange your points for likes and followers and on various social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. But in today's method, we will direct our points towards attracting Instagram followers, and we will explain how to do this in the next. To earn money, for example, if you have collected 1000 points by liking YouTube videos, this can be equal to 2500 Instagram followers. First, click to select Instagram followers from the select option worldwide for content and enter your Instagram username. I recommend you especially create a new Instagram account for this purpose, one that you have not used before. After typing that username, do not check the total clicks and daily clicks. The cost per click CPC is influenced by the number of points you invest, and you determine a certain amount of light after filling this. For details, click on Save Changes, and you will get certain number of Instagram event followers based on your accumulate points. It's a simple and easy process. Let's go to the final step. The most important part, where I guide you how to start making money through this method. We used a website called playerup.com as a social media marketplace where you can buy, sell, and engage with social media accounts and find options to sell Instagram accounts, YouTube accounts, Twitter accounts, and more. As you probably know, we sell Instagram accounts. We have created at AdMeFast. Make sure you stay with us till the end, because later I will share some tricks that we use on the previous website that allows me to collect up to 10,000 points effortlessly. In a day allows you to earn fast, one of the best platforms to sell Instagram accounts at profitable prices. Click on buy and sell Instagram accounts to get started. List people offer to sell Instagram accounts with different numbers of followers for different amounts. Either an account with 10,000 followers or 50,000 followers, or a smaller followers account with a few dollars if you want to list your account here. There are many options. You need to click on the sign up button and enter your email address, and when I ask if you already have an account, select, and after you complete the confirm your email, you can start listing your accounts for free just like everyone else on the platform.